Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool Wash Pump part #W11612326. The Whirlpool Wash Pump part #W11612326 is a direct replacement for the original part on Whirlpool washing machines. It is designed to pump water out of the washer during the spin cycle. The pump is made of durable plastic and features a motor that runs at 1,200 RPM. It also has an impeller that helps to move the water through the system. The pump is easy to install and comes with detailed instructions for installation. This part is compatible with many different models of Whirlpool washing machines, including Duet, Cabrio, Bravos, and more. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement pump for Whirlpool washing machines. It is used to replace a faulty or damaged pump and can help to fix symptoms such as a noisy or leaking washer, an unbalanced load, or a washer that won't drain. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the front panel of the washer by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Locate the old pump and disconnect it from the hoses and wiring harnesses. 4. Install the new pump by connecting it to the hoses and wiring harnesses in place of the old one. Make sure all connections are secure and tight. 5. Reinstall the front panel of the washer and secure with screws. 6. Plug in power cord to wall outlet and test washer for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.